Everyone has enough personal space, furry friends included. All right, friends, without further ado, let's bring out our furry friends today. Coming out first, he's a little bit nervous. Give it up for Telly Monster! There he is, hey Telly! The next friend to come out and join us. Everybody go ahead and make your way to the lawn. We're gonna salsa with Rosita. And last but not least, everyone give it up for the one, the only, your favorite furry blue monster, Rover! All right, friends and neighbors, make your way to the lawn. It's time for a dance party. If you don't know how to do it, go ahead and follow us. We'll show you how it's done. Do the belly hop up and down the street. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on, do it. Sesame Place. Let's see your best dance move. Everybody breathe.
me, Cookie Monster. It's so nice to see you.
We're so glad you're here today. But before we get things started,
There's one thing we want to say. Hello, 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 hello,
I want to welcome you to Sesame Street.
Yes, that is why we have prepared a welcome show that is so big and so special.
A magic show. A magic show? Abby, Emma thought we were going to welcome everybody with a dance show. I thought we were doing a music concert.
Well, this awkward. Oh no, it seems we have all planned different shows to welcome our new friends. What are we going to do? Me wondering.
Emma got it. Elmo and his friends can each do their own welcome shows. Then we can pick which one we like the best. Great idea, Elmo. Come on, everyone. Let's get ready.
Oh,
Elmo's ready to give a sneak peek of his welcome show, a dance show.
Whoa! Nice moves, Elmo.
Oh, yeah. Dance Elmo and shake it, something, and make it move. Say it, shake it, wave it, play it. It's Elmo's new puppy, Tango. Tango says hello. And even though Tango is a puppy, she loves to move her body too. Come on, Tango, let's dance. This move is called the ear scratch. Come on, everybody. Let's scratch our ears like Tango.
Scratch those ears, everyone.
Ooh, that's a good one, Tango.
Oh boy, look at Tango's new move.
This is called the puppy shake. Come on, shake your body, everybody. Great job. Tango, do you have another move?
Go, Tango.
This one is the tail wag. Let's unwag our tail just like Tango. Great dancing, everyone. Now, shake it, something,
And make it move. Swing it, wave it, fling it. I will now amaze you all with the cutest bubbles in the world.
Show me how to work this thing.
Okay, I push this button and then pull that lever.
Uh-huh.
Or do I pull this lever and push that button?
You don't know.
Hubba what? Oh no! Those are not bubbles! But do not worry, I will just go backstage and fix this machine in a flash.
Hey, Rosita. Wow. Cool guitar.
Oh, well, gracias, Danny. Thank you. If you see somebody you like to get to know, why not just look up to them with an hola or hello? Quiero ser tu amiga, quiero ser tu amiga, quiero ser tu amiga.
I just borrowed it from our friend Bert. I think it's one of Big Bird's favorites. All right, let's read it all together, shall we? It was a bright Easter morning on Sesame Street, and out in the park, friends were starting to meet. There were beautiful colors and flags waving free. Something special was happening, but what could it be? This time filled with duckies. Was it left there for Ernie, or was he just lucky? The turtle crawled past, just